Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. Yampurupu Kurumjari ngasi Learn English by Speaking na mayam putaram na mukanokay. Maduti ako'y ngasi si ako'y Yongchak Ironba. Mama masana Yongchak Ironba si ako'y English tawari sabagi maramda ko'y tamgani. Sa tao karam tao na ako'y na English ka miga wari sagadagi haibadu ako'y na topic ama Yongchak Ironba Meitei Yongchak Ironba haibisi ayna mayamda thanjage ayna Meitei londa isagi londa adum ako'y wari saraga ako'y na video si nambasu yai adubu ayna yamna ako'y kay haitare haying ako'y globally prithvi pumbada masi khangba yaba aduga taaribasingnasu yamna ako'y punchida kanaba oigadauba haibadi language si ako'y lonbudi khange adu ako'y topa language maruoina English ta ako'y karmaina ako'y wari si sagadagi adu kamaina phongdokdagi haibugi matangdani aina ngasi tawsagadoise ai topic se lovely days in the kitchens making Meitei Yongchak Ironba. Meitei gi Yongchak Ironba se ako'y sakhumda karmaina sembagi haibisi matangda ta si mama masawari sabani masanupiga mama ga wari sabani masanupi na hairi daughters na ima what are you making today ima ngasi ji nahak na kari injang thongibagi smells so good already manam di yam thina lae manam nungsina so good already hana manam silae mama na mother na today we are making Yongchak Ironba ngasidi ako'y Yongchak Ironba ako'y thongi Yongchak Irongani sinew adedi daughter na kume my favorite I met Yongchak Ironba when I was studying outside. Masidi aigi pamjabani. Aina mapanda larik tamdana lairingaida ai Yongchak Ironba saba phangkhide. Mamana. Noga. People outside don't know the taste of Ironba. It's not just food. It's our emotion, our Meitei love. Mashi mi mapana layo ayambana di Ironbagi maroina Yongchak Ironbagi mahau si khangdre masidi injang oi khakinate masidi Meitei khagi nungsinabagi thamoi leiba sepduni datana true ima. Okay, let me have what do we need first for Yongchak Ironba? Sumi ima uti phare ai kari mateng pangba yabage ahanbada Yongchak Ironbagi tawdabasi karino mamana good girl pabanupi masani dana for Yongchak Ironba we need boiled Yongchak soybam fermented bamboo shoot, potato, aloo, moro, chili, ngari, fermented fish, and hadigoms, coriander, fresh leaves. Hariba, koigi, aloo, ngari, soybam, bamboo shoot, adagi Yongchak si punna koi boil tawdam ana phutu kadabani adugi manunda let me guess we will mass everything right adudi ay mo hangjage as moi mayam je loina ma punna nai khaimina gadoribra edi sai mama na mukhumai yes but first we roast the ngari to get the smoky aroma. Sagi koi na ahan bada tawgadaba se koi na ngari gi magi banam mama koi gi maikhu dong na manam nungsi ba matholakani. That's the soul of Ironba. Maduna ni nga sagi Ironba gi magi thawai oigadoi si ngari se. Na lady daughters na. The smell of ngari always reminds me of home outside. People used to say, "What's that smell?" And I was like, "That's heaven." Maduna madugi ngari gi manamduna ai se mapanda leirasu adum yum ningjingi mi ayamana hangi madugi manamdu karino. Then ai na madu ai di mase sarga gumbani aduna na koi di khangde mama na no heaven for us ai koi di yamna sarga gumba nungai ba but soak for others mi atai gidi mathai sok pa nungai ta ba manam do ko okay kare now mash the ngari potato soybean moro and salt together jadi ko ji alu soybean moro ngari thum hapchalaga punna koi nei khairo nei datar na mashing done no khaibe loire mashing ai dinga tagi thit punna mixed option below. MASSING mashing to record. Now add Yongchak to hapsal and mix will right hajana mixed option ko. Daily mama nai. Then we will add green leaves of coriander at the end. Smell is perfect. Mama nai lady kasai padigum mana asang mado hapsal lo aroi bada lady phadana manam nungsiradam tatarna mouth watering true aciditin sunghe is lady Mama, so tasty, yam thin hawi, mau lere ima. No restaurant food can beat this. Restaurant ki sang insang naga sidagi hen ngam pote, mama na. Because it's cooked with ima's love. Masidi imagi minung sigaloy na thungba sa insang oiba ini. And with and with our Meitei tradition, I think we should record this and share it on YouTube. Traditional Meitei kitchen with Ima. Masano pinay. Masi ko'y Meitei gi mahusada sanarak pa siya. Masi record toraga YouTube ta ko'y share to. Wanap kadungo mali. Ana Meitei ko'y chakung gi ima galoy na thongba mahusagi ima na thongba Meitei gi sak insang hay na mama na. Good idea apabawa kaloni so people can see how simple and beautiful our food is. Adri mi aya na ko isi cham na hajana hauraba thumaba sa insang sigi maram da khangani datar na. Yes, everyone should know Yongchak Ironba. And it's not just this, they are memories, culture and love. Masidi mi kuding mana khanga dawani Yongchak Ironba haiba se masidi isang aman natte masidi Meitei koigi nad amasung ningsing bagi nungsinabagi aduni haina khangani mama na let's eat then adudi koi sare sidana masano pina. Yes, Ironba, Yongchak Ironba time. Makoy jupun na samin hagre. Ano sumain daw na may mama masaje sumain English ta. They converse about the making of Yongchak Ironba in English. Okay, last, don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe to the Learn English by Speaking for more informative or more tips or more videos for learning English. Thank you. Bye bye.